Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World Geography with M.Adnan. Today's tutorial is related to how can we input the Excel data into ArcGIS or ArcMap. So as you can see, I'm already exported, but now I going to showing you how can we input the point data to perform different spatial analysis like IDW and furthermore data. So for it we need the data in the Excel format, not in the CSV format. It's simple Excel format. As you can see, this is the soil data 2, and here you can see soil data 2, okay, in the Excel format. So we use for it a tool. We go to the search tab, and from here we type Excel to table, Excel to table. So from this tool we will call the Excel data to the table with accurately. We use it. Now we put here our data. Wait, it will perform. So I uncheck this data so it will not confuse you because it's already here, and the same data I will input here. So as you can see, we put here the data which we need to import as a point for further geospatial performance. We give it's where we save it, like this one, soil data 2. Okay, open here, simple. Just nothing to changes in it. Just if you want to save it in a specific folder, so for it you need to give its path. As I save it in the this region, wait a minute, I just select it. For it, here will be a YouTube tutorial. Yes, this one here. Or now I give it here the geospatial geo database, and here should be a I give it space as what's his name? I give his name as a soil data. Okay, so I give his name soil data, and I just simple perform it. Okay, and it will be proceed, and here will be showing us in a table form here. So we will get further classified. So as you can see, it will be come in the table form, and it will be accurate as will be shown in the Excel data I am going to showing you. As you can see, all the tables will be here accurately, and we check here all the tables like that. So what we do next, we do need to display it on this area because it will be in this area. Simple step like this one, we display X and Y data. This one we use display X and Y data, longitude and latitude. Okay, and this UTMs are already done for it projection. We simple okay it, and now we get our points very simply. So if you want to perform further geospatial tool on it like IDW cracking etc, so you need to watch the second video. We will be define it in a second video, and we will also make videos on our channel, so you will get from here. So it is a simple according to that how can we display the point from there to Excel to ArcMap. I hope this will help you, and you can further use it according to your need. Thanks for watching.